Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 16.7, building a frequency distribution. In the previous example, we had salespeople for approximately 52 sales over a given period of time. There's a combination of salespeople. The shirts they sold. We want to put this information in bins. This is the frequency distribution. All we do, we pick bin numbers. So we start at 0. We max this white shirts for simplicity. We just maxed it at 50. I also have this random between 0 to 50 just for an example, and I can hit F9. Each time I hit F9, the bins change, this frequency changes. And all it is if you look at this range from 0 to 5, there is a cell. And this should look like a bell curve if it's a normal distribution. We have 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 8, 15 to 20, 9, 25 and 30 should be the majority of cells if this is a normal distribution. And it should be, if you hit F9 a billion times, you should get a normal distribution. That's a frequency distribution. This is a very simple format. It stops at 50 if this thing went on, and if I put this to 65, it would take that extra number and skew this information. If you want to know the formula, we just use the frequency formula. By now, hopefully you realize that I'm just typing formula text next to the equations and letting you review this after the fact as to what's going on. This is just a frequency distribution. All right, let me just point out, this is the spill feature. So all you do is you put the frequency in here and it's going to spill down. I'll show you. We'll delete this and see how it automatically refills. I'll delete the frequency table. We'll just go in and go equals frequency. We'll use this function. What does it say? Data array. What are we looking for? We're looking for the data here in this range. We want to put it these bins. As soon as I hit go, I have a problem with this cursor. It has the tendency to just destroy whenever I want to copy down. So I have to shut it off here temporarily. I have to fix this error. So now we need to identify our bins, copy our bins, close the parenthesis, and watch the spill. And it just spills. I can use the formula text here. I'm going to turn this cursor back on. I can turn the formula text on here, but with the spill feature, you can't copy it down. Brad Williams, XL Prime.